Alright guys, so in this video we're going to be talking about 5 problems that PS5 currently having, and these are not the major problems. These are like some of them are like really minor. You should be able to fix them, but some problems are really not that minor. So let's start with the first problem, that is data transfer with the USB or with LAN. So if you're having a PS4 and if you're trying to switch to PS5, you need to transfer your data, right, using a USB port that's on the back, or you can just use a LAN cable or something like that. But sometimes you're getting this error, and the only way to fix this error is to reset your PS5. So basically what's happening is when you're trying to transfer the data, it just stops. It just it causes some issue with the PS5, not with the PS4 though. And the only way to fix this right now is to factory reset your PS5, and players should know that it will delete all the user data stored in the PS5. So that's kind of a really major thing, because you're going to lose everything that you have on your PS5. So before you're transferring anything to your PS4, you need to know this problem some people are having. Alright, so second problem we have on PS5 is when you're using an external hard drive to play PS4 games. So Sony has revealed that PS4 games can be played with external hard drive, but you cannot play PS5 games using external hard drive. However, it is not recommended for the players for now, because when you try to transfer your data to PS4 to PS5, even though using external hard drive, data transfer can actually corrupt your data. So it can literally corrupt your game files and everything that you have on your PS4. When you're transferring to PS5, that can corrupt the data. So for now, you need to know that sometimes it's happening. Like, it's not sometimes, it's like 80% of the time it's happening. So Sony said that it is best to wait for an update from them to fix the issue, and until then you should avoid using an external hard drive onto your PS5 just for now until the update. So that's the second problem we have. And the third problem we have is kind of a minor problem, and it's with the DualSense controller. So some players are having DualSense connectivity issues. So during the initial setup, when you try to connect your DualSense, player must plug their controller into the console, right, to pair it. And it actually downloads an update for the controller as well for some reason. And however, some encountered connectivity issue with the DualSense controller, especially those who were unable to keep the controller connected to PS5, during the update. So if you're updating the controller when you connect to the PS5, if you disconnect it, you will get the error and you won't be able to connect your DualSense controller to your PS5 until you reset your PS5 to factory settings or re-download the console update. So basically, it's also going to remove the PS5 data. When you factory reset the settings, just the settings, it's not going to do anything. But if you download the update, it might remove all of your things from your PS5. So that's kind of a little bit major issue, and less people are having it. So do not disconnect your DualSense controller while you're pairing it. So that's a thing. So the fourth problem, it's not even a word, so problem, is the PS5 download queue bug. So when you're downloading some games onto your PS5, it's actually not downloading it. It's just saying the game will suddenly just give an error, or downloading is like indefinitely, like it's really long. It's not gonna download anything. It just cancels, or it just starts to re-download. And the only way to fix this is to factory reset, and that really sucks, factory resetting the whole PS5 while having a lot of games in it. So that's kind of a big thing. And the last thing we have is a sound, and I think it's something to do with the hardware. So it's like loud humming sounds coming from the PS5, and it is just the console just launched, so there's going to be so many problems. But the sound one is a hardware problem, and what I think is you guys should really wait until the next batch of the PS5 to come out. And that's what I'm doing, at least, because to be honest, I'm not doing that. I'm just waiting for the console to release in my country, then I will buy it. So I just want people to know that there are some problems in the PS5. So if you're planning to buy right now, I would say please wait, or you can just go and buy, because these problems are not having with every single console, but majority of the people are having one of these problems at least in every console. So not all 5 of them, but some of them are you're gonna encounter some of these. So this is the video. These are the problems that PS5 have for now. 5 problems that are not that major. They're gonna get fixed if you reset your PS5, but resetting a PS5 after downloading so many games is a big thing, because you will also lose your save data unless you update it on PS Plus cloud storage. So Still there are like ways to fix that, but I would say just wait for now. So this is it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, you can like the video, or if you don't, you can hit that dislike button twice, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out.